Alright, had a nice night at the Pecks Ridge, or Pecks Corner Shelter. It was a full house last night. Had some Eastern Continental Divide Trail people come in. Had another thru hiker, a ridge runner, us four. So it was a busy shelter. Helps keep them warm at night. We walked in, there was a nice fire going. The other thru hiker had a fire started, so made it nice and a little bit warmer in the shelter last night while we were going to sleep. It got cold in the middle of the night, but by morning I was warm again. Base camp caught us for lunch. We were using the phone, so I didn't take any videos. Had service there at the last shelter. It's in the sunlight, it was nice and warm. Then we came back out onto the trail. It's been shady and cool since we've gotten back on the trail. I think tomorrow night's supposed to be like a 12 degrees for a low. Another cold night. The next night's like 17, so not as bad. And then we get up a little bit warmer after that. I've only got a few more days until we reach Hot Springs, so that was my destination on this trip, and we'll make it there and celebrate my accomplishment and head home. Here we go. Got to show the wildlife. Famous Smokey.
More famous than any trail walker.
Everybody knows Smokey's coming. I've heard about you before.
Yeah, I almost thought about getting an audio book. Sometimes them things are expensive. And some pine smell. In Hawaii too, some of the simplest forms of ferns on one of the islands. Yeah, you better be reading that Bible every night, boy.
So we made it into Cosby Knob Shelter about 5 o'clock. We had taken I hiked with IKEA most of the day. Stopped and took about a 2-hour lunch break at the previous shelter 7 or 8 miles back, and just kind of an easy cruisy day. Feel good. Got supper eaten already. There's about 6 or 7 of us at the shelter tonight, so be going to bed shortly. Just been a pretty awesome day. Kind of watched the sun go down and see the sky turn colors tonight.